I'm Sergeant Bradley Pouchet from Sterling Heights, Michigan. Currently stationed at Lackland Air Force Base. And this is MWD Lennon, and I'm a military working dog. In a deployed environment, our job is actually kind of stressful because essentially we're searching for explosives. And when you actually sit down and think about that, it kind of hits home for a second. When you're doing your job, you're kind of just in the zone, doing what you've been trained to do. You just don't really think about it, you just sort of do it. I would say there's two parts to what we do on a day-to-day basis. The main part, providing enhanced explosives detection capability. The second part, what the public doesn't see, is the training that we do. We pretty much do endless hours of training for the simple fact that we want them to be as good as possible at finding whatever they need to find. So we have to keep that training up, make sure he's proficient on it, make sure he meets the standards, and I push him beyond those standards. And I train him to be better every day. And he trains me to be better as well, because he's always got something new for me. Lennon and I have been together for approximately 9 months. I wouldn't have it any other way, working with a dog. He's my partner. He means just as much to me as any other security force member. I give up my life for him, he'd give up his life for me. Yeah, he's a good guy. He keeps me sane.